It's of course your boy Hockey Customs coming at you with another vid. And I already know you seen the thumbnail, so you know what we're doing today. Customer hit me up, said he wanted a pair of all white G-Fazos, all white Air Force Ones for people who don't know what that means. Customized, and he wanted an anime custom, and the anime that he wanted was Megalo. So I'm not really too familiar with this anime, but I did watch like 2 episodes just to brush up on it real quick. So yeah, so the shoes turned out fire, absolute gas in my opinion. In your opinion too, you know, if I'm right, you can just comment down below. You know, just tell me your thoughts. But if not, you feel me, then it's cool. If you like them, please drop a like. If you're not already subscribed, if you're not already part of the hockey gang, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, that way you'll know when I post another video. Dang. Bars. Anyway, so yeah, so we're going to hop right into it. I'm not going to hold y'all no longer. Make sure you follow me on IG, TikTok. Yeah, IG, TikTok, and YouTube. That's all we on right now. Next giveaway is coming soon. I do a giveaway every time I do a milestone. Every time I break a milestone. So the next one will probably be when I hit 50K on TikTok. So we're close. We're like at 45K right now. So we're getting close. And then the next one probably be when I hit a K on YouTube, then 5K on IG. So it's coming. You feel me? And I probably do 2 winners for my TikTok giveaway. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Follow me on IG if you want to be, you know, part of that. Cause I probably run it through IG, even though it's a TikTok giveaway. But you know, I'm gonna work it out. So yeah, without further ado, I'm not gonna hold y'all no longer. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you enjoy. Peace. All right, after you get all your taping prep work done, then you want to get your reference sheets and your stencils and put them on the shoe. All right, so I drew out everything that I wanted to see on the shoe and outlined it and traced it with a Sharpie and a paint marker. Right now you're going to see me get my stencils ready on the Cricut program on my computer and put them right on the shoe. Alright, since I'm using Angelus paint, I have to use a thinner, that way it goes through the airbrush smoothly. And after you do that, you can start painting. Alright, for your final step, how you decided to use the Angelus matte finisher. Highly recommended, scratch resistant. It's perfect. After you do like 2-3 coats of that on the shoe, they're ready to go. I usually give my customers 24 hours before giving them to the customer. That way I know they're completely dry and they'll be ready to wear. Alright, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please drop a like button. Please drop a like button. Please hit the like button for me to keep me motivated. I'm trying to come out with a custom video every week, so we're gonna keep pushing them out. So we're trying to pump these out, pump a custom out every week. I got a lot of customs coming up. I'm trying to record the YouTube videos for y'all as soon as possible. But some of these, you know, I gotta knock them out fast, so I don't be thinking about recording while I'm customizing. So, but anyway, it doesn't matter. So I'm trying to drop a custom for y'all every week. So make sure to subscribe so you can be up to date when I drop something. Follow me on IG. If you need a custom done, IG is where it's at. Just DM me right on IG, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Yeah, and that's it. I'll see you on the next one.